Everything it is about the new EU regulations. VOC consumption, as we have it today with the solvent-borne paint, it is not optional. It has to be reduced drastically. Likewise, everything is moving in more sustainable way, which means that our energy consumption in the production factories, they need to be reduced as well. For many years, solvent-based paint has been the strongest and best performance coatings. If we take kitchen industry as industry for itself, it have the highest requirements for the performance when it comes to chemical and mechanical resistance. So solvent-borne paint could fulfill this. And with the waterborne UV, we are at the same level. So you have reduced VOC drastically. You don't have a smell in your production. I believe your team will be very happy for that. You have a strong performance of your top coat, of your paint solution, meaning that you have both chemical and mechanical resistance as it is required. And that means that you are running a sustainable production. Yes, curing technology is also changing. So that means that in a few years, mercury will be banned from the market. We need to move from the conventional UV lamps to the LED lamps. So changing to LED, actually it gives you a very many benefit because LED lamps, they have much longer lifespan. They do not heat up. They have instant on-off. So I'm happy to say that the sustainable future for kitchen looks bright, both when it comes for the VOC regulation, as we have discussed about, but also that the product is ready for LED next generation. The change to more sustainable kitchen don't need to be difficult, especially when you have the right partner. With our product, if you want to change it now from solvent-borne paint to waterborne UV, if you want to change it now to conventional UV lamps, we are ready. Or if this exchange will happen gradually, so you are changing to LED, we are ready as well.